Welcome to Pi News World, your trusted source for the latest Pi network news, crypto updates, and blockchain innovations. Today, we're covering a major Pi network development, the latest Mainnet upgrade, the growing discussion around a potential $110 billion Pi demand, and why some analysts believe Pi could eventually reach $314. Let's dive in. In the coming section, we will explore the latest Mainnet upgrade for Pi network. This upgrade represents a significant evolution in the platform. It enhances security and increases transaction speeds. A stronger ecosystem means more trust in transactions. Next, let's consider the impact on scalability. The upgrade allows for more users and transactions. This means Pi can handle real-world demand effectively. Improved scalability encourages global adoption among users. Now, let's discuss the $110 billion demand. This figure is based on growing interest and adoption of Pi. If Pi keeps expanding, that kind of market demand could happen. Increased demand typically drives up value. Expanding the Pi ecosystem plays a pivotal role. Developers now have better tools to create applications. Merchants can leverage Pi for transactions. Decentralized applications help drive further adoption. An engaging ecosystem attracts new users and retains existing ones. On to the anticipated 314 price prediction. It's important to note this is speculative. Analysts have different opinions on this potential. Some see it as achievable based on current trends. Others urge caution, reminding us it's still uncertain. Let's examine optimistic versus conservative scenarios. Charts will illustrate possible market movements and outcomes. It's crucial for viewers to understand these varying perspectives. Professional infographics will help visualize potential paths. In summary, the Pi network Mainnet upgrade is a game changer. Demand could reach $110 billion with continued interest. The 314 prediction showcases both excitement and risk. Always remember to research before making financial decisions. Thank you for watching Pi News World. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest Pi network news and important crypto updates. Share this video with fellow pioneers, and we'll see you in the next update.